Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for this video, I will be sharing my white fruitcake recipe. Here's the ingredients. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/8 cup Swiss Valley cream cheese, 1/2 cup granulated white sugar, 1 cup glazed fruit, 1 cup raisins, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, 1/8 cup orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 piece egg, a pinch of salt, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and 1/8 cup Conaprol milk. And then for the toppings, we need glazed cherries and some whole walnuts. So first, we will be doing creaming method for the butter, cream cheese, and sugar. And then we will be adding the eggs, tapos yung rest ng ingredients na. So in your mixer with your paddle attachment, mix first your butter, cream cheese, and the sugar. In doing your creaming method, kailangan soft na si butter and si cream cheese. Then, we will be adding the egg. Lagay na natin si flour. Alternate with your milk and your orange juice. Flour, then the salt. Tapos si milk. Si flour ulit. Tapos si juice. And si vanilla extract. Then, flour ulit. So, scrape natin yung side. Kasi yung iba, hindi abot. Then, mix again for around 2 minutes. Lagay na natin si glazed fruit, walnuts, and yung raisins. Once okay na, remove na natin, tapos make sure ma-mix mo muna yung ilalim. Then for today, I will be using mini aluminum loaf pans para no need or diretso ko na dito i-bake. Tapos diretso na rin benta. By the way, for this white fruit cake, this is actually halal because wala tayong alcohol na dinagdag. Then, lagay natin si whole walnuts and glazed cherries on top. Let's bake this one for around 30 minutes. There you go, our white fruit cake. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking and advance Merry Christmas!